how would you solve this expression? 6 minus 1 inside the parentheses plus 30 divided by 5 times 6. Which operation do you go at first? Parentheses, divisions, additions, which one? To avoid confusion, scientists created a convention, a rule that is called PEMDAS, and we will be talking about PEMDAS for today. That's the only correct order of operation. So make sure to learn PEMDAS. It is an acronym for better memorization. So P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, and they have the same priority, M and D. So multiplication and division, they have the same priority, go from left to right. So MD or DM doesn't matter. And finally, you can go for addition and subtraction. They have the lowest priority. And parentheses, they have the highest priority. So you must go for parentheses at first and do what's inside the parentheses. Then go for exponents. Then for MD or DM. And finally for AS or SA. That being said, let's do the original expression. So ask yourself, do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. So before anything else, just disregard everything else. Do the parentheses. So inside the parentheses, 6 minus 1 gives us 5. And then 5 plus 30 divided by 5 times 6. You can't do addition here. Some people think because it is the first operation. No, you can't always go from left to right. So no more parentheses. Do we have any exponents? No. Any multiplication and division? Yes, we do. There is one division, one multiplication. Go from left to right. So one more time, 5 plus 30 divided by 5 gives us 6, and then times 6. Another multiplication before we can go for addition. 5 plus 6 times 6 gives us 36, and 5 plus 36 gives us 41. So that's the only correct answer according to PEMDAS. If you don't follow this order of operations, you would end up with a different answer. For your homework, please make sure to drop your answer for this homework. I really look forward to seeing your answers in the comments below. And please subscribe to your channel, Prime Logic, to support and motivate me. Like the video if you haven't already, and see you on our next video. All the best to you all, my dear students.